Imagine onboarding every new employee, delivering compliance training, tracking certifications, and measuring learning progress, all from a single platform. That's exactly what a corporate training portal can do. Yet many organizations believe building one is expensive, complex, or requires months of development. The reality is quite different. With the right planning and the right learning management system, you can create a scalable corporate training portal that supports employee learning and business growth. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to build a corporate training portal from scratch using Moodle. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your training goals. Before installing any software, start by asking one simple question. What do you want your employees to learn? Every organization has different training requirements. You may need employee onboarding, compliance training, product knowledge, leadership development, technical skills, or customer service training. Clearly, defining your objectives helps you design a portal that supports your business goals instead of simply storing courses. Step 2. Plan your learning structure. Once your objectives are clear, it's time to organize your learning content. Create learning categories based on departments or training needs. For example, employee onboarding, compliance training, sales training, leadership development, technical skills, and product knowledge. A well-structured portal makes it easier for employees to find relevant courses and creates a better learning experience. Step 3. Set up Moodle. Now it's time to install Moodle. You'll need a web server, a database, and a Moodle installation. After installation, configure your portal by adding your company branding, creating user roles, setting permissions, and organizing learning categories. A clean and intuitive interface encourages employees to engage with the platform from day one. Step 4. Create engaging learning content. A successful training portal isn't just about uploading PDFs. Use a mix of learning formats, such as video lessons, interactive presentations, SCORM packages, quizzes, assignments, discussion forums, and downloadable resources. Combining different content types helps maintain learner engagement and improves knowledge retention. Step 5. Automate learning. One of Moodle's greatest strengths is automation. You can automatically enroll employees into courses based on their department or job role. Set course completion rules, issue digital certificates, schedule recurring compliance training, and send automated reminders for overdue courses. Automation reduces administrative work and ensures consistent training across the organization. Step 6. Track learning progress. Training isn't complete until you can measure its impact. Moodle provides detailed reports on learner activity, course completion, quiz performance, certifications, and overall engagement. These insights help HR teams, managers, and learning administrators identify knowledge gaps and make informed decisions about future training programs. Step 7. Enhance the learning experience with AI. Modern corporate training is becoming smarter with artificial intelligence. AI can assist in generating course content and creating assessments, translating learning materials, recommending personalized learning paths, and supporting learners through AI-powered chat assistants. When combined with Moodle, AI helps organizations deliver more efficient, engaging, and scalable learning experiences. Before launching your training portal, keep these best practices in mind. Keep course navigation simple. Design mobile-friendly learning experiences. Break long courses into shorter modules. Use quizzes and practical activities to reinforce learning. Regularly update training content to keep it relevant. And most importantly, collect learner feedback so you can continuously improve your courses. Building a corporate training portal isn't just about implementing technology. It's about creating a learning ecosystem. With Moodle's flexibility, powerful reporting, automation features, and support for modern learning technologies, organizations can build an effective platform. Whether you're training 100 employees or 10,000, the right strategy makes all the difference. If you're planning to build a corporate training portal, Moodle is a powerful place to start. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.